kitchens are traditionally known for their functionality. It is, however, an imperative that they are also aesthetically pleasing. As one of the most used spaces in the home, kitchens should be visually and physically appealing to those who use it frequently. Therefore, the selection and installation of kitchen hardware is extremely important. The right hardware can elevate the look and feel of a kitchen while also enhancing its functionality. One hardware option that has recently been in trend is polished brass. In this article, we discuss the current popularity of polished brass hardware in kitchens, its design choices, and its durability. The use of polished brass hardware in kitchen designs is quickly becoming an increasingly popular choice among homeowners and designers alike. This trend can be attributed to the fact that polished brass hardware offers several advantages over other finishes such as chrome, stainless steel, and satin nickel. Firstly, polished brass is visually striking. The metallic finish of polished brass offers a warm and inviting tone to any kitchen design while also adding a sense of luxury and elegance. Secondly, polished brass is a versatile material. It can complement any color scheme, including a variety of styles, from traditional to contemporary. Lastly, polished brass is easy to maintain and can be cleaned with simple products, such as soap and water, without the fear of rust or oxidation. There are several design choices available when it comes to utilizing polished brass hardware in a kitchen. From cabinet knobs to drawer pulls, hinges, and faucets, polished brass hardware can be used in a variety of kitchen design elements. 1. Cabinets and drawers are vital components of any kitchen design. Cabinet knobs and drawer pulls provide the perfect opportunity to introduce polished brass hardware to enhance the overall aesthetic look and feel of the kitchen. For instance, pairing white or wood kitchen cabinets with polished brass hardware can be both elegant and visually striking. The juxtaposition between the light and dark elements in the kitchen creates a beautiful contrast that catches the eye. On the other hand, pairing polished brass hardware with blue, green or other bold colors can also add an element of sophistication that will enhance the overall feel of the kitchen. 2. Incorporating hinges and latches made of polished brass is another design choice that can add a sense of style and elegance to any kitchen. By choosing these elements to be made of polished brass, homeowners can have complete control over the look and feel of their kitchen. These design elements may go unnoticed, but, when finished with polished brass, they can add a touch of class and refinement to any kitchen design. 3. Faucets are arguably the most noticeable functional element of any kitchen. Choosing polished brass to finish your faucets can add a level of sophistication to any kitchen design. The contrast between polished brass and other colors around the faucet is visually striking and can include a touch of luxury that will elevate the design scheme of the kitchen. Polished brass is a high-quality finish that is renowned for its durability and resistance to corrosion. It is an optimal option to maintain the aesthetics of your kitchen design, regardless of its design elements. Polished brass hardware may be cleaned with typical kitchen cleaning products, soap and water, and a polishing cloth may be used to bring back any lost shine. It's important to keep in mind that brass is subject to tarnish and oxidation when exposed to certain elements, such as fingerprints and moisture. This type of hardware must be frequently cleaned to maintain a polished look, especially after frequent use. Overall, polished brass hardware is a fantastic choice for homeowners who want to add a luxurious touch to the functionality of their kitchen. Brass is versatile and can be used in a variety of kitchen design elements. It is a durable material that will maintain its shine to increase the visual appeal of your kitchen. The main consideration homeowners must keep in mind is maintenance. Polished brass hardware in your kitchen design requires frequent and consistent care to keep its presentable appearance. By selecting the right style and design of polished brass hardware and ensuring its maintenance, homeowners can create an undeniable level of style and elegance in the kitchen area of their home. Be sure to like this video, and click to subscribe to see more content.